Hi, in this video I will show you how to create cameras in order to get the 3D views, interior and exterior. As you may know in the assignment brief, if you go in this page, you will see two interior views you need: camera 1 living room, middle level, and camera 2 mezzanine, upper level. This is interior views. For the exterior views, camera 1 from the side of the ramp, and camera 2 from the outside, which is from the close to the stairs. And we gave you a figure which shows camera 2 exterior and interior. Alright, let's start by creating these external cameras. So I will go to Revit again. So from view, you click this area and you will see camera. So camera 1 is this one from the stair. I can see the project very well now, and it should be perspective. Here it should be perspective when you click right. And of course the visibility and graphic also should be ambient and cast. Of course your project will be complete, not like this one, so there will be a roof. And the second camera, I will have to go to the lower level or any level, it doesn't really matter, and create the second camera. So camera 2 here. So this is camera 2. If it is not clear, you have to activate always the crop and you move it. So you change the crop region, so in order to see the whole project. And of course you apply this graphic options, so things related to cast shadow and maybe also smooth lines. And of course always, as we mentioned many times, you should hide the CAD drawings. So I check none, WG lower, sections, so any WG should be hidden, which means it's AutoCAD drawn. Okay, just hide it, don't delete it. So we still have one here. Sorry, what I did. This one, hide. Of course, if you go down and you see 3D views, these are the views that you have created. So this one 3 that we just double click. So this is view 3. I can remove this kind of, you see, lines are not very clean here. I can make this smooth lines with anti-aliasing. And basically now we created two external views. Now in order to create internal cameras, so again internal cameras, you have to read from here: internal views, living room, middle level. So I have to go to middle level, living room. So middle level, living room. So you can choose, so you have to create a camera. It depends on, I think this kind of view will be good. And of course you, in order to not to confuse yourself, you call it 3D view living room, and always you remember graphic display option. You may activate this one: shadow, cast and ambient. And of course this furniture will be designed well in your case, me just an example. And of course always you will be able to orbit. So now we are moving the camera now. You can also use this one, so you can pan, you can orbit, you can zoom. I'll become in the outside now. And if you want, for example, lower level, as you can see, I cannot see the camera of the external cameras now. In order to show them, you have to go to here. I think one of them is 3D view 3. That's why you see it's important to make names, otherwise you may be confused after that. So I click right, and then there is show camera. You see, this is the camera, and I think level 2 also, view 2 is the camera. Aha, it's the interior one. This one, it has been created before. This one, no need. I will delete it. So you need just to create cameras basically in order to get these views. But please remember to follow the requirements here. So living room, and from mezzanine, upper level, also you have to create this camera. External, this is the first camera, and this is the second camera. This is for cameras.